Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can do data carving or file carving using FTK image. Okay. For that, guys, let us double click FTK imager. So here we would have already created an image of a flash drive. Now, let me expand the image here. If I expand the image, I'll get the list of documents, right? List of files here. As you can see, we have operations.xlsx and you can see the contents T44B03 and all. So this is the magic number which is taken for an XLSX file. Okay, based on the magic number, we can easily understand what exactly this file is. Is this file XLSX file or is this file a PDF file or a JPG file? Okay, for example, we'll see one example to find out the signature of a particular file. Now, let us take an example of hideout.pdf file. So, hideout.pdf file, which I have taken here, has FFD8 and FF. Okay. If you just copy this FFD8 and FF, it will give you the original extension of the file. Okay. Just Google FFD8FF file signature. Here it comes, the hexadecimal file signature, which should be a format of JPEG RAW file. But here we have seen that FFDD and FF was showing .pdf file. So just move this arrow here. Just drag it down. You'll easily see it as JPG file. This is one way you can do the file carving using FTK imager. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.